Hello, Team Easy Dating. What's up? Welcome to the party. Today's topic, what do men really want? Yes. All right, I've got to lay it down and be super real with you guys today because it needs to happen. Listen, we all joke around and we're like, men want a woman that cooks, that gives blowjobs occasionally. And so if he's got a nice, happy belly and he's getting sex, he'll be happy. You know what? It's time to be real, and I'm going to just put it out there. That's not it. All right? Men now have delivery for food. They don't need you to do that. And quite frankly, sex is nice, but they don't need that. The way to make him really crave you and just you and want no one else is to make him feel needed. And you're all like, what the heck are you talking about? I thought I just had to cook and like have sex with them and not be naggy. No, we don't care about any of that. That stuff's nice. These are like the benefits. But what we really want is to feel needed. In today's society, we don't feel needed. And what I mean by that is, back in the day, we used to be able to provide financially. We can't really do that, or we can, and women appreciate it, but it's not like what it used to be where only the men went out to work. Now women have amazing jobs and they can provide for themselves. And we can't even be like the strong sex and help you move things. You'll hire someone. You'll hire a moving company. So how are you going to make a man feel needed on your first date, on your second date, and forward? This is what you should be considering. What do you feel comfortable to make a man feel needed? Because this is what he's gravitating towards. If you look at the women that men want to be around, in every aspect, they make them feel needed. Whether it be you're at a coffee shop and you say, hey, would you mind grabbing me the sugar over there? I mean, how easy was that? And this is amazing. A lot of women will be like, I can go get this sugar. I'll go get it. But what about an opportunity to ask him for it? And then he brings it over and you go, oh, you're such a gentleman. Thank you for bringing that over. And he goes, I guess I am. Not bad. This is beautiful. And what about in conversation? Like, hey, would you give me advice on this? Oh, Mike, you are so smart. Thank you for that advice. Do you want to be this high-value woman that allows a man to contribute and feel needed? Or are you just going to do everything yourself and not allow him to be a part of your fantastic life? So you got to make that choice. And I really want you to think about this because we all thought be that cool girl that, gives him blowjobs and cooks for him and doesn't nag him about, watching too much TV. He'll stick around. He'll commit to you. He'll be with you forever. No, he won't. Those things are added benefits. He likes them, but he's not going to be irresistibly drawn to you like a woman that makes him feel needed. And needed is telling him what to do as well. And so let's expand upon this. Even saying if you're feeling, let's say you're feeling like you're on 6 months in and the poor guy thought formula was, well, if I take her to dinner once a month or once a week, I've done my job and she seems to like that. Well, eventually you're like, oh my God, we're going to the same restaurant every week. I'm not feeling courted. I don't feel loved. I don't feel special. So all you got to say is you would make me the happiest woman in the world if you did X. And give it to him. Tell him how to feel to feel needed. It would make me so happy if sometime we went rock climbing or we went on a hike. And then he's like, all I got to do is plan this 2-mile hike and she'll be happy. I can do that. So high value woman makes a man feel needed, tells him how to do it. That's beautiful. Hey, grab me that sugar. Hey, would you give me some advice? Ladies, there you have it. We're taking this to the next level. We're not just going and being amazing personality, high-value women. We are doing that extra step, making him feel needed. This is going to take you from, here's the rest of the population that you're competing with, Forget them. They don't know this stuff. You're going to be up here. You're going to be the rock star that gets the man because no other woman is doing this. So rewatch this video. This is it. This is how you be irresistible. This is how you make a man crave and want you. All right, if you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe. A new video every Tuesday. So get on Team Easy Dating. Share this puppy. And guys, we will see you next Tuesday. And of course, if you want some free content, hit the info button so you can see more stuff. I got lots of free stuff down there for you. Get your hands on it. Woo! Oh, I'm losing my voice. We'll see you next time.